Hello, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Pythagorean Theorem. So, first, you kind of no, that was a really bad line. You make your triangle to visualize it. To pretend this one is one of whatever unit. It could be centimeters, inches, feet, miles, whatever. Same thing with this one. It's the same unit as the other one. Trying to find x over here. So basically what you have to do is you square the 1, you add it by 2 squared, which equals x squared. Can't really draw that, but okay. So here, this is the same thing as 1 plus 4, and that equals 5. Equals 5, which also equals x squared. So for this, we're gonna need, since it's squared or an exponent of 2, the opposite of that would be to do a square root. So to find out that, it's the square root of 5. That's going to be x. So right now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to figure out what the square root of 5 is. So I figured it out, and it's like 2.36 or something like that. But then this is going to be our answer. So this is going to be 2.36. So that's what I think it is, because it's just an example. That's just so you get the idea. So now I'm going to change the size real quick. I'm going to change it. So what if you're thinking you're doing something like 1, let's try a triangle, and then x, and this is 2. To make this easier, I'm going to make this a 4. So for this, you're going to have to set it up again. Remember, this one is always the last number. So we obviously know what 1 squared is. It's 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. So it would be right now 1 plus x squared equals 4 squared, which is 16. I don't even know how this triangle is supposed to work, but again, it's just an example. And this problem would work if the x was right here and the 1 was right here. It worked the same way, because the only number that changes is this 4. So then for this, we could rearrange it. How are we supposed to get something that equals? This is insane. I don't even know why I picked this problem at this point, but to go with it. So be the same thing as saying 16 minus 1 equals x squared. And I'm gonna pause it again, try to figure out what this one is. I'm gonna need to get the answer, which is 15. So x2 now. So I'm gonna need to figure out. Well, this would obviously finish off the whole thing. I need to square root this, square root this. So then it would be whatever equals x would be our final answer. So right now I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna get it. I just searched it up, and it is like 3.87 or something like that. So then this number would go all the way here, which would be 3.87, which is pretty simple. My opinion, when I first learned this, I got it right away. All you need is someone to explain it, and then you got it. Because easy strategy once someone teaches it to you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.